Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Kathy, and welcome to my review, where during this video, we will give you a run-through on this product of exactly what it is and how it works. And now, a comprehensive tutorial and bonuses by the creator. Don't forget to click the link below for more info.
Hello guys, in this video I show you how I made $105 in my first day of using the 12-minute affiliate system. I will show you what the 12-minute affiliate system does, how you can use it for your affiliate marketing business, how you can use this plug and play system, run traffic to it and generate automated affiliate sales with it. Let's jump right into it. I will show you what it does, how I'm using it, and I will give you my exact strategy where you can do the same thing as me, generating $105 on your first day of using the 12-minute affiliate system. Let's go. You can get the 12-minute affiliate system via the link under my video, bonusbomber.com/12, like you already see here, and you will not only get the 12-minute affiliate system, which made me $105 yesterday. I show you that in my ClickBank account. I will also give you my video courses where I show you the exact strategies that I'm using on a daily basis for my online marketing, for my affiliate marketing business. First of all, I show you how I generate more than $2,000 every month by using YouTube and using ClickBank products in my YouTube affiliate hack. It's normally worth $297. It's a full video course which I sell for this price. Those are not just any fake bonuses like everybody else offers. This is a course which allows you to make more than $2,000 every month by using YouTube as an affiliate marketer. My chatbot mastery, where I show you how I'm using Facebook chatbots to promote affiliate products. My video course, The Traffic Booster, where I'm showing you how you can run paid ads to affiliate products, Google ads, Facebook ads, and so on. It's normally worth $399. You will also get it in my bonus bomber package if you get the 12-minute affiliate system via the link under the video. My Facebook group strategy, where I show you how you can tap into the power of Facebook groups. Let's say, for example, in the dog training niche, there are extremely targeted Facebook groups out there where you can get people out of there, get them on your affiliate product, and generate sales with it. It's normally worth $197. I'm giving it to you for free in my bonus bomber package with the 12-minute affiliate system. My Instagram traffic strategy, my Google ranking secrets, my ClickBank secrets, where I show you how I make money on ClickBank, my Fiverr arbitrage strategy, which was one of the first strategies I did, where I show you how I generated one of the biggest Fiverr accounts by just using Fiverr arbitrage. So I offered services which I didn't even do myself. I outsourced this work, gave them to a freelancer, and just kept the arbitrage amount. It's normally worth $399. I'm also giving it to you for free in my bonus bomber package. My automation mastery, where I show you how I automate my business, most parts of my business with the right tools and with the right strategies. You will get all these bonuses. Those are not just fake bonuses or vendor bonuses or anything else. Those are the exact strategies that I'm using to generate more than 5 figures every month online. Get the 12-minute affiliate system with my bonus via the link under the video, bonusbomber.com/12, like you already see here, and you will get all my bonuses additionally. Let's take a look inside the members area. So, like you see here we are inside the 12-minute affiliate system, and you have, first of all, a quick start checklist here. So, basically what the 12-minute affiliate system does for you. It gives you a full affiliate funnel with an email autoresponder, and you can buy traffic with the 12-minute affiliate system with the dashboard here. So you can run traffic to a pre-made funnel and send emails out. So you have a complete affiliate marketing funnel which is ready to use. These are the funnels that the top affiliates out there are using. I'm using these strategies myself. I'm building funnels, run Facebook ads and Google ads to them where my target is to generate more commissions than I spend on the ads. I'm showing you what I do in my traffic booster, which you will also get when you get the 12-minute affiliate system via the link under the video. But this 12-minute affiliate system allows you to do that automatically. So basically the only thing you have to do when you log in here, you have to choose a niche. In my example, I chose the home business niche. Then you have instant funnels here. So you have already made funnels. You can just choose one of these funnels and run traffic to them. Those are high converting pages. For my example, I am right now using this opt-in page. I'm using this opt-in page, but you can use almost every one of these pages. The 12-minute affiliate system automatically generates an affiliate link for you. So you basically put in your ClickBank ID in the 12-minute affiliate system. And when somebody buys from these pages, first of all, you get the email and then somebody can buy, then you will get the affiliate commission. So basically when someone has a funnel like this, even if it's highly converting, if you don't have any traffic, it won't bring you any commissions. And that's where the 12-minute affiliate system comes in place. So basically you can buy traffic here. So basically you can buy the traffic here inside the system. You can also run your own traffic on it. I show you how I do that in my traffic booster, but you can also just click the green button here and get traffic and buy cheap traffic that generates you money. You have everything set up here. You have an email autoresponder, you have your own domain, you have your own funnel. Everything is integrated here and you just have to drive traffic to your sites. This is the first method, the done for you traffic. You also have other traffic methods. Like I already said, you can also use free traffic methods, like I show you in my YouTube affiliate tag. You can also run your own Facebook ads. You can also run your own Google ads, but you can just buy the traffic from the 12-minute affiliate team, which guarantees you high quality traffic. And by the way, you can always call the 12-minute affiliate team. You have a number here and a real person will answer the telephone, which is not normal in this time, and they will support you until you're making your first commissions. So basically what I did here, I bought a small package, I bought traffic here, and I show you my results on ClickBank from this purchase. So here we are inside my ClickBank account, and like you already see here, this is the current week, and like you already see here, December 5th December, here I made $105.62. That's what the 12-minute affiliate system made me. And I bought the 12-minute affiliate system yesterday. I bought the traffic and I used it for a ClickBank product. I will show you what I did exactly. And basically I'm stoked. So for every beginner, I didn't even do anything. I just put in the affiliate link of the product and it sold automatically. I just let the 12-minute affiliate team run traffic to it. So right now I'm scaling that up. I will buy more traffic from the 12-minute affiliate team, because if this works, that's just crazy. I can't even imagine what I can do with it. So here we are back inside the dashboard, like you already see here. This is the first thing, the quick start checklist. Then you also have a step-by-step introduction. Then you can also get a coaching from the 12-minute affiliate team. You can upgrade your account and so on. I didn't even do that. I just bought the normal 12-minute affiliate system and bought traffic for it. You can connect your autoresponder so that you can also send emails to all the customers that opted into your opt-in formula. You have your domains here. You have an education center here where you can learn from the top affiliates how they build their projects. I'm also a top affiliate in the German market, and I show you my strategies in my courses, and you can use them in the American market even better than in Germany. My email swipes, or their email swipes, 12MA integrations, personal development library, and the top affiliate products which you can promote. So you have different products which you can promote. I would recommend you to promote the John Crestani super affiliate system, the auto webinar funnel, because that's what is one of the most converting products out here, and the 12-minute affiliate also, because this product is just crazy. If you sell this product to anyone, they will keep the product for months because it just works. Even if you're a beginner and you don't have any skills in online marketing, you don't have any skills in running Facebook ads, you don't have an autoresponder, you don't have an email list, nothing. Just do the same thing as I did. Set the affiliate system up like it is described in the quick start checklist. Do every step like I did here. Check everything. Get the done for you traffic by the 12-minute affiliate team, and then watch your sales flow in. And here we are on the 12-minute affiliate Facebook site. Like you already see here, I just wrote a rating here because I made $105 yesterday with the system, like I just showed you. And like you see already here, all the others that are reviewing the system, 12-minute system is great system for beginners who are finding it hard to start with affiliate marketing and have no clue where to start with. True plug and play system. He writes, did you make any money yet? Yes, not only me. If you will come inside the group, you will see many others made sales as well. That's right. You also get a Facebook group where you can exchange with other members of the 12-minute affiliate course. Basically and honestly, that's the course where I've seen the most people that bought the course earned money with it. And that's not normal. Normally, people buy a course and more than 90%, they don't even earn a dime. And in this course, when you do the exact same steps as the 12-minute affiliate team describes you will earn money very, very fast, and you can access the 12-minute affiliate system for not even $20. It's even less than that. It's about $10. You can find it in my link under the video. Like I already said, you can get the 12-minute affiliate system with my bonus, bonusbomber.com/12. It's the first link under the video. Get the 12-minute affiliate system. It doesn't even cost you $20. It costs you about $10 or something, or $12. Just take a look at the site. You will also get my YouTube affiliate hack. It's worth $297, where I show you exactly how I'm using YouTube to generate a 5-figure affiliate income month by month. My chatbot mastery worth $499, where I show you how I use Facebook chatbots to sell affiliate products. My video course, the Traffic Booster, which is worth $399, where I show you how I run Google and Facebook ads for my funnels. And you can combine that with the 12-minute affiliate system. So if you don't want to buy traffic from the 12-minute affiliate team, which is very, very high quality, I showed you this. Basically, I tripled my money within 2 hours. I can also show you how you can do that yourself for even a lesser price when you just buy the traffic yourself. I show you that in my Traffic Booster. It normally costs $399, and I show you how you can do that on your own, and you get the course for free in my Bonus Bomber package when you get the affiliate 12-minute affiliate system via the link under my video, bonusbomber.com/12. You also get my Facebook group strategy, where I show you how you can get people out of Facebook groups onto your affiliate offer and make commission from it. My Instagram traffic strategy, where I show you how I get traffic from Instagram. My Google ranking secrets, where I show you how you can rank your websites, your landing pages and your videos on the top positions of Google. My ClickBank secrets. My Fiverr arbitrage strategy, where I show you how I was able to create one of the biggest Fiverr accounts out there by using Fiverr arbitrage. So by offering services I didn't even do myself. I just outsourced them and kept the arbitrage amount. My automation mastery, where I show you how I automate most of my business so that I just have to spend 2 to 3 hours every week for my business. That's generating me more than 10k every month. Normally worth $497. I'm giving it to you for free in my bonus bumper package. Just get the 12-minute affiliate system via the link under my video, bonusbumper.com/12 like you already see here, and write me an email to bonus@bonusbumper.com so that I know where I can send you my bonuses. I wish you very high commissions. Write me an email. Good luck and see you in the next video.